Welcome. Take a moment to settle in. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and begin to slow your breath. Inhale slowly through the nose and exhale softly through the mouth. With each breath, you are arriving more fully into this moment. Let go of anything before or after this time. This is your space to receive, to surrender, to simply be. Bring your attention to your breath. Feel the coolness of the inhale and the warmth of the exhale. No need to force anything. Let your breath guide you gently inward. Scan your body from the top of your head, down through your shoulders, your chest, your arms, through your hips, your legs, and all the way to your feet. With each exhale, imagine releasing tension, releasing stress, releasing every worry that no longer serves you. There is nothing you need to hold on to right now. You are safe, you are supported, you are enough. Now imagine placing all your worries, doubts, and fears into a soft, glowing ball of light in front of you. Watch them float there, outside of you. They are no longer a part of your energy. With a deep breath in and out, release that ball of light into the sky. Watch it gently drift away, dissolving into the distance. Feel the space that's been freed within you. This space is sacred. This space is ready to receive. Now in this calm and open space, begin to feel abundance flowing to you. A golden light begins to radiate above you. Warm, gentle, infinite. With every inhale, this light flows into your body, filling you with peace, with calmness, with love, with clarity, with the knowing that everything you need is already flowing to you. Abundance in every form, joy, connection, purpose, even the physical manifestations you desire, they are coming. They are already on their way. Silently or aloud, repeat these affirmations, feeling them settle deeply into your being. I let go of all that no longer serves me. I open my heart to receive. I am aligned with peace. I trust the flow of life. Abundance is my natural state. Everything I need is already within me. Let yourself rest in this state for a few more moments. Feel the energy of abundance gently swirling through you, anchoring itself into your body, your thoughts, your emotions. You are calm. You are clear. You are open. Begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. To the sensations of your body. And when you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Maybe stretch if it feels good. And slowly, gently, open your eyes. You carry this peace with you now. You are the source, and abundance flows to you, and through you always.